Hey there crew, it's Mark from Mark Your Pages from the Archer and Olive Ambassador team, and in today's video, I'm going to show you a few ways that you can use washi tape inside of your bullet journal or planner in a really functional but fun way. Supplies for today are going to be your notebook or your planner, whatever you're currently using. Next is going to be different types of washi tapes. Find a variety. You have some that are a bit thicker with design patterns on it or something else that you might like. In this case, some of these actually glow in the dark. For this project, you are also going to need some types of scissors or a ruler to be able to cut your washi tape. Something that I like to do with washi tape to make it functional and not just pretty is actually to make a flag. What we're going to do is we're going to take a piece of our washi. In this case, I'm picking a thicker size washi. It'll give more of an effect of a flag, but of course, you can use any size tape that you have. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fold it in half, and then I'm going to take my scissors and from the outside corner in, I'm going to give it a little bit of a snip. Now when I open it up, I have a fantastic flag. Now I can go ahead and put that inside of my journal, and I can use this as a call out for something important. I can use this flag to call out important information. I can use it as a header space if I want to start the days of the week. It really can be used for anything. And again, it looks really cool, but also can be a really functional addition to your planner. Another thing that I really love about washi tape is that a lot of them have symbols that repeat. And what's cool is that a lot of these could actually be cut off of the washi and used like a sticker. I'm going to go ahead and cut this piece here, and if I'm very careful about my cuts, I'll actually be able to make a handful of different types of stickers that I can use inside of my journal. If you want, you can just use the rectangular piece and place that right inside of your planner, or if you want, you can spend a little bit more time giving it a slight little cutout to make it into a little bit more of a custom sticker. The other thing that I like to use washi tape for in a fun but functional way is to create call-out boxes or faux tip-in boxes. Say you have some type of a card or something that you want to put in here and you want to make it a little extra fancy. Of course, you can use your washi tape to add it right into your journal. But if you're the type of person that doesn't use extra scraps of paper or really put anything in your journal, but you like the look, you can put down a piece of washi tape onto your page. And then you can draw a square or rectangle around that piece of washi to create a faux tip-in. I know there are a lot of people that don't like to use an index inside of their bullet journal for a multitude of different reasons, and that's totally okay. However, there are times when you want to call out certain pages inside of your journal. So to do a nice little page call out, you can use washi, and that way from the side of your notebook, you'll be able to see the specific call out that you have. This might be for a dedicated collection. It could be for a fun tracker page that you have, or anything inside of your notebook or planner that you want to pay more attention to. Something that I tend to use washi tape a lot for is when I make silly little mistakes, like spelling simple days of the week. The washi can look cool. It can actually look intentional, like you've created some type of a header space for it as well, but it covers up your mistakes without you having to cross them out. So this all can look very cool in a page, but what does this actually look like in practice? This is some washi that I had from last year's Halloween collection. This one has a bunch of different types of moths on it. So what I'm doing is going through and just cutting them out of the washi tape. I'm just doing a bit of a rough cut. I'm not looking for anything super precise inside of here because that'll just make myself mad. I'm just doing rough cuts around these, just super nice and quick. I think what I like the most about this look is that it is made to almost look a little bit like a scrapbook versus it being a precise cut sticker. I can take different ones. I'm going to go ahead and clip this one over on the left-hand side to be for our note section. So I'll clip this into a flag, and then I'll use another piece of washi as a header, and this is where I can start to jot down some of the tasks that will happen during this week. And then the last thing, I want to just call out this page inside of my journal for a weekly. So I'll go ahead and add that to the side of this so that on the side of my paper, I can quickly find So on the side of my paper, I can quickly find my page as I'm looking through it. I hope that you found these tips and a little example of how you can use washi tape creatively, but also functionally inside of your bullet journal and planners. Let me know any other ideas that you have down in the comment section below. I'd absolutely love to hear from you and check out more ideas around using washi tape. I'll talk to you all next time. See ya.